Hello. Uh, Sorry, my laptop battery is completely drained, so the that video recording is stopped. So I plugged in now right now. So yes, we are in a list. So task list. So in a dashboard that is up here, we can see all the tasks which is created. That is a task list. And yeah, component is done, which is I already told you, which is a reusable UI part, which is a small thing. Now, when only the thing is left is a pages. Hook is left. If hook is left, we are doing nothing more. We are just using use context. Simple thing. Creating the context, this, and using that. Uh, After that, the only main thing, page is left. Let me check everything is working or not. Sorry, I think working. Okay, so here, let me check one more time. Yes, okay. Camera. Yes, okay. Yes, so in a page, there is a dashboard where I'm showing the all these things. Whatever the UI is showed on a screen, it is a dashboard. So we are importing it. You checking the user auth if it is login and showing the dashboard if it is not. So navigate to the login page. Showing the all the task, getting task. We already created that API in a server folder. I already show you and getting that task from the API, right? Task API, we created that task API. So we are fetching that task. Fetching users because we want to log in the user or the admin for that swing. Getting users. If it is a admin, so we are going to show all the user which is listed or which is in our database. If it is not, so just showing the error and creating the showing the current user. Creating the task, the logic part is I already talk about in a server folder where the backend logic is done. Here is nothing in uh, dashboard page, just getting handling the API, the main logic in the server folder and fetching that task again. Same thing for the update status for whom we have assigned a task, deleting that task for the task status, like for that we want ID and whatever the status of that, like it is rejected, pending, or the completed part. This is the this part I'm talking about. This pending, in progress, and the completed part. Here. After that, the priority updates, same thing. Low low priority, medium priority, or the high. Filter filter comes here. Here. All tasks, so they can list all the assigned to me, which is assigned to me by someone else or by the uh, admin, like by the user assigned task to the other user, so you can see it, or the admin assigned to the task to the user, so you can see it. And created by me is just simply those created those tasks is only created by me. That's it. And that's the UI part. So this is just a simple tailwind and normal React with nothing more than that. Showing that task list so we can show the whatever the task, how many tasks we have, we can show that. And there is a in a task list we are having a task card, so we can show all the details of the particular task. The task simple for the this is for the edit or delete. Simple thing. The task from the I already talk about here. We are getting data from the user, whatever the data we want to fill it. We discuss in a server folder in a model section where we create the model. So we get title, description, due date, the priority, and the for whom we want to assign that task. Now come again, dashboard, done, login, just simple thing, the credential, email, password, handling that submit and sending through the that data, that credential to the API, and API will handle in a backend. Backend will update it the database. Database send the response to the client again and reprint the whole UI. Just simple logic, and that is a tailwind. Same thing for the registration. Profile is simply showing if the user is logged in. So showing that detail, user profile, whatever the username and user email and the user that username and the user email. Showing whatever the email it has and the role, like it is a user or the admin. If no one is there, so we can send the error. Nothing here more than that. Okay, rest I already talked about users. Yes, users like if the admin is, I'll show you here. If admin is logged in, we can see all the users which is in our database. Now I'm going to show you live. Here is the live link. We can log in as a user one at the rate, sorry, gmail.com. Password is user one at the rate 123. It will take some time because it is a async. I'm using the async and await because it is handling from the backend, and it is basically depend on the internet also because it is that website is live now. I think there is a no, it is logged in. There is I have a network issue right now, so it takes time. Here's a welcome user one. See the minor detail. We can that profile. The simple user detail. After that, the dashboard, all tasks, whatever the task we have created with a simple thing. Check one video record. Okay. Medium is high. We assign to the user two creating the task that is created. Here is that one. We can update it again or delete it. Now we logged out and doing checking in a other user like it is assigned or not. Okay, so one, two, three. Assigned to me. Here is that assigned to the user two created by the user one. We can decide here that what is the our status in a progress. That is that will change from pending to in a progress. Now we logged out, checked in again. User one. What is happened? User one. Yes. So assign as no created by me. That is We do not see the status here, but we can uh, see it is assigned to the second user. We change the things. Uh, Wait, user to uh, assigned to me. Now progress completed. We can change all these things if the task is assigned by the admin. Now see, admin, admin 1 @123. See, that is user assigned to user 2 created by 2, and I am getting the status completed here. Only admin can see all the status. I can delete it that also. I think my camera is stopped working, so yes, now everything is fine. We can assign a new task, new task, fun, any date, hi, to the user one. Okay, creating the new task. Okay, uh, here is it. Now we can see all users as well. Like there, we can change the status. Now the status of the active is inactive. Now I can logged in with the same user. Okay, user one and then account is deactivated. Now I'm getting that. What happened? What happened? My internet is sorry. Actually, I'm using my phone as a video camera. My laptop camera is not working, so there is a phone call. So I have to stop that recording. Sorry for that.